Saturday, March 28, 2026 with Kevin. Lit! Another new art piece here in front of the Chow Mini Mart on Avenue A. Come check it out. Let's take a closer look. And walk around this, give you a little bit better view. Pretty cool. Another really gigantic art install here on Avenue C, C as in Charlie, between 3rd and 4th Street. And it looks like this thing lights up at night. It's got some giant light bulbs on it. Pretty cool. So obviously it's gonna be lit. Come check it out. Fire trebuchet, some of my neighbors are doing here. They're soaking that in lighter fluid or kerosene or something. And they're gonna launch it towards the Salton Sea.
Trebuchet shot the fireball.
Is he looking friendly? We don't want him more like.
So I already pulled that thing back, got it locked, and soon it'll be loaded. Right there, once they light it, I gotta back off, because sometimes they soak the toilet paper roll in common fuel or kerosene. Yeah! You know that it would be untrue. That's a really bad place to park.
Yeah.
Move, we're gonna launch fire! Move your car!
Come on!
They're probably gonna get stuck too. Alright, that's better. They're gonna get stuck. Alright. Fire in the hole! Whoa! Yeah! Boom! Towards the Salton Sea. Hell yeah, that was lit. Woo! And now, let's check out the Museum of Unwanted Architecture here in Bombay Beach. Museum of Unwanted Architecture. And this is generally only open to the public during events like the Biennale. It's a permanent installation, but it's open select times during the year. Here in Bombay Beach. All right, this is definitely lit. Check that out. Hell yeah. Fire, fire. It is definitely lit. You know that it would be untrue. Hell yeah, I gotta get away from that. I'm really gonna be lit. It's kind of cool.
I never even had ideas until all of a sudden I was like, oh shit, we can actually do this. Yeah. And now when I'm like, oh, we can do this. We can.
Yeah, this is a trip. And it's just projected onto these trailers and other buildings. Maybe I'm in the Matrix. Okay, now this art is pretty lit too, literally. From the other side, pretty damn cool, and it's definitely lit. Well, I'm fucking tired. This is gonna wrap it up for tonight. Been a long, tiring day, but it's been awesome. I didn't get to cover every piece of art, but a few more tonight that I left out the last few days. And yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button and stay lit.